Hello and welcome to WendBooks Solutions. Today we're going to talk about bills, supplier bills. To access supplier bills, go to Supplier Center and click on the bills. Now remember that you can convert a purchase order to a bill. So if you want to do that, just go to Transactions, find your open purchase order. Okay, double click to open and then click Create Bill to convert this purchase order to one or more bills. Now let's go back to Bills, click on the bill, choose your supplier, enter the date, type the reference number. Now you cannot enter the amount because this is calculated at the end and depends on the expenses and the items used on the bill. So the next thing you need to do is to choose whether this can be an expense or an item or both. Let me just give you an example. Suppose we pay a bill for some items, so we move to the items, add line, choose our item, select quantity, choose the rate if it doesn't come automatically from your item setup, or you can change it here. Choose the warehouse to be stored into, VAT code. Now you can tell the system if this item has been received particularly for a selected item, then you can tell the system for which client this item has been received for. It's useful when issuing some reports. So for example, profit and loss, and then you can filter for this particular client. Profit center, you can choose a profit center. Now serial number, you can enter some serial numbers here, but if you want to receive 5 of those, you need to make it like this. Okay. And then type the serial number here. Now, you can see that the amount due has been updated, and you want to add expenses as well, so you can move to the expense tab, click add line and choose some expenses. Now you can see that the amount due has been updated. You can add as many expense lines as you wish. So you can use either expenses or items or both at the same time on the bill. Now if you click Save, You can see the journal number at the top. If you click on that, then you can see what happened behind on your ledger. Okay. Now the system will automatically update the item average cost as well. So if you just go to inventory and go find your item, now we've got 10 on hand. Okay, here is the average cost. Even though we purchased that for 120, the new average cost is 110. Now we can see that on the stock evaluation detail report. We can run the report now. Let's filter our item. And also, let's put some dates. Okay. Now, that was because the bill date was earlier than other dates. So, the average cost started 120. Then we purchased with different price and the average cost became 111 and then 110. So this is how the average cost works. So let's go back to the supplier center. We can control the bills from here. We can filter to show all bills or open bills only. Now, this is the bill we entered before. We can always add some information or view the supplier profile from here, similar to other transactions as well. Type some notes, attach some documents. Very useful and handy most of the times. Now you can duplicate that. And remember the serial number? Now, if you just go to create an invoice, let me show you how the serial number works. Suppose we are creating one invoice now, and we choose our item. First thing is if I just click on the serial number, nothing will appear because we have to choose the right warehouse. So we use warehouse. And then we can pick up the serial number from here. So suppose I want to give this one out. Yes, we have to choose a client first. So save and new. If I choose the same item again, choose the right warehouse. Number C is missing, so you have to choose from another serial number. Okay, so this is how the bills and the serial number work. Now, that's all about the bills. Thank you for watching.